What's up guys, so I got the axle for the Camry, so now I'm going to take the wheel off, and then there's something down there to take it off. Let me take the tire and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. It's cold out here, so I need to finish it and put it inside the garage sooner, otherwise it'll be harder. So it's 21mm if you want to know. So what I'm talking about now, let me show you what I'm saying. I'm saying down there for the axle there's a holder. I think it's bearing too. So I need to take it off first, that one, and then I'm going to take it from the gearbox. Oh, it's far away to take it off too. I think I need to jug it more. So let me do that. So I have the new axles inside the garage. I'm going to show you later after I finish this one. So let me try to take it off right now. So I got a tool, 40mm. It's hard to get it in, especially on the grass. So I'm going to use like this extension. If I will need more, I'll extend it. As I see, coming off, but now it's on the tension, so I need to take that tension off. So I'm cutting the axle. I'm under the car and it's super cold, so I can't handle the cold, so it's better to cut it. Now the tension's off. I think so, let me see. Alrighty, it just came off. What, I cut it off? And then what about this one? Okay, it just came off. So let me show you what happened. What's holding me? Okay, the oil is not coming off, so that's a good thing. But in case, put the container over here, I think. Alrighty, let me show you what I did. I just cut this one, the axle. I don't need it, it's already broken. So I just cut this one from here because of there's a pin down there to move these pins, and this one I was struggling down there. It's hard. I'm struggling with these pins over here. Let me hold this one down here, this and that one, and then this one was struggling too because of it's blocking me. But I was looking this one, and then I just take it off. If I push it that way, it'll be better. But I didn't do it, and then I just cut it off. But I need to take it off to put the new one too. So let us go there and then take this one off now. Here my new axle. Let me unbox it. Then transfer that thing. I'm not using OEM. OEM's too expensive, so I'm not going for it, that one. Okay guys, let me try now this one. Take it off. Okay, this out. So there's a rubber down here. I did take it off, but I put it back before. You just take it off before you do that. So take this one. So this rubber. Before you can leave it there, but you don't need to lose it. So take it off. And then put it inside here like this, and I keep it somewhere else for now. You can put it later if you want to. I'll clean it by sandpaper inside here. Just a little bit rest. There is rest, and don't forget to put this one on the new one. So let me can use this one. Okay, I didn't pin this one, so it's good. Put this one off. So let me send this one, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm trying. So I need to only one way you can put it in. So you need to put it evenly. I do have small hammer. So put oil on it, it'll be easier to slide it in. So slide it on and put this one. So guys, I'm ready to put it on the car. Just this one. So spin over here. So now let's go and put it on. It is 22 millimeter, if you want to know. So I put the jack down here to hold it. Let's put it on. So I'm using the old bolt for the axle. I'm going to hit it by plastic hammer. Try hit it in. So guys, I'm taking the bracket off. Instead of put it on the axle, I'm going to put it on the car. It'll be easier than this one, definitely. This one, I struggle to put it on, it's just not working. Okay, so let me hammer it out. Okay, you can slide it out. Okay, and put it down here. So I need to bolt it in this one. Let me show you. Let me get in down there and let me show you what I'm doing. So I was struggling to put the axle because this bracket is not working on me. If I put it right now, so these pins, they're holding me. Last time to take it off too, that way I cut it off. So if I put it now, it'll be easier to put it on. So it's 40 millimeter, and then to bolt it in is easier now. Last time to take it off is the hardest thing to do. So the top one have two, and then the lower one is have one only. 40 millimeter, and I need to bolt this one too. So yeah, see you then. So bolt it in. Now I may bring the axle and I'm going to put it on. I'm ready to go. Last time if I put it like this, it'd be easier. I make it harder. Alright, it's finally coming together, guys. So I'll double check it later on when I get it inside the garage. I'm going to bolt it in. This one too. Ding. Let me go and check with the axle nuts, and then I'm going to drive it. Let's see. Now it's spinning together, so I'm going to bolt it in later on. Now let me put it back, everything. Then put the tire back. Then let me take it off from the jacks stand. Just drive down here. So this one to come here. So let us see if the car can
speed driver. Moment of truth. So there's a check engine lights on, ABS all lights on. Okay, so D now is not flashing, so I can drive it. Woohoo! Only that thing is touching me. Let me adjust that one, and then I can park it. Last time, if you saw it, the axle was spinning, that's why it's not moving. So far so good, I like it. It's so cold. So after this, the door's open. Oh, so I need to fix some stuff. Okay guys, so far so good. Bring you guys inside here. So last time we can shift it, and then I need to check the check engine light. On that side, it's not fixed. So let me bring it. Let me move it to the garage. So let me open the door. So guys, I'm going to put the mirror. Without the mirror, hard to put it inside the garage. So I saw it's not easy. It's not that much hard. Let me go and show it to you. I'm talking about. So
What? This one's different? Yep, this one's correct. Okay, so first you put it over here first of all. Some clips, and then push it. If you have the heating system, you can put it down. This one doesn't have, but it came with that. I found it from eBay. So you push it in. You'll see the click. So that's it.
Alrighty, let's test it out. Let's get inside. So if you see it, it's working. So okay, it's working. I thought it was not working. Oh, okay. So let me arrange it. Today I'm not going to put it on. If tomorrow the weather hopefully is good, I'm going to wash the car.